You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast that's powered by SDC International Shipping. We are your trusted expert for seamless door-to-door relocations from America to destinations across the globe. So, when is the right time to book? For most international household good moves, the sweet spot is 8 to 12 weeks before packing begins. That window gives you the best balance between flexibility and certainty. Your mover can secure vessel space, prepare custom documentation, and coordinate with destination agents without the rush. Moves booked in this range usually feel organized rather than frantic. Packing schedules can still adjust. Shipping options remain open, and you avoid the last-minute premium rates that often hit late bookings. Of course, this is a general rule. Some destinations require longer lead times, especially for shared or groupage containers. But 8 to 12 weeks is where most international moves operate smoothly. Here's the takeaway. Aim to book 2 to 3 months before packing. It keeps your timeline relaxed, your options open, and your stress level low. At SDC International Shipping, we've helped thousands of families, professionals, and retirees move from America to destinations around the world, and we would love to help you too. You can learn more, request a quote, or chat with one of our moving coordinators anytime by visiting our website or by giving us a call at 877-339-0267.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.